We can. Jonathan's new Play-Doh wheels cement truck Play-Doh machine, and we're gonna see how cool it makes some cement pouring out of it. Good job. Keep going, Jonathan. Roll it.
What happened to it? It's all smushy.
Here, yeah, it's a Play-Doh smush. All right, let's check it out. You want to do blue and orange, the Blippi colors?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Look, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna twist it. Whoa. All right, and now we're gonna put it in. You want to help? Yeah. Can you push it in there? All right, so we put it in the hole.
I cannot see, I want to see.
Yeah, push it in the hole. Squish it in. All right.
Now what do you do?
Now you take this part, you find a little arrow, and you hook it up here so we can smash it on. Now you twist, turn.
Okay.
Can you go that way?
Go, Jonathan, go!
Look, there it is.
Yay, he's making cement.
Yay, now we're going
Here, dump it in the back of the truck. Blippi mobile.
Right into the Blippi mobile.
You like this. Okay, let's open it back up. Oh wait, we have to unscrew it when you're done. All the way.
Hey, Jonathan, what kind of truck is this?
cement truck.
Yeah, it is. It's a cool cement truck.
What's the way?
Okay, let's open this up. Let's go up. Ooh, now we can pull it out. Whoa, okay. You want to make a doggy one?
Wow. With rainbow color.
Ooh, that's a great idea. All right, you want to squish this one first? We have it ready. Here it goes. It's going to come out again. Here it comes. Squish it in.
Yay! They're making more cement! Yay!
Awesome. That's fun. Oh no, it's going to go to the wrong way. There we go. Go down the spout. The cement spout.
Beep, beep. Oh, he brings the wheelbarrow in.
Good job, Jonathan.
Great job, Jonathan.
All right, let's cut it off. Here you go.
Great
Here's the
job.
cement. Great job,
It
Jonathan.
looks like
Ew, we don't want to eat Play-Doh.
No, don't eat Play-Doh, kids. Safety first and safety last. Makes for a fun day. Ah!
Is that funny? All right, let's see if we can make paw prints. Ready? Smash it down. Look! Poppy paw prints! How cute!
Now roll them up.
All right. Oh, Daddy didn't get it. Let's try again. Puppy paw prints or footprints? Footprints. And then
Footprints.
puppy paw prints
Puppy paw prints.
and handprints. Cool.
Handprints. Hey, Jonathan, show me your hands.
How many
Yay!
hands do you have? That many? Oh my goodness! How about two? 1, 2, 1, 2. How many do we have altogether? 3, 4.
Yay!
But this is a cool cement mixer. I think it's really neat because the wheel spins. You can actually take your Play-Doh on the road. And it lifts up so we can take out the new one. What color cement do you want to make now, Jonathan?
Rainbow.
Rainbow colors. That means mix them all together. Awesome.
Jonathan loves mixing all the colors of his Play-Doh together.
Rainbow.
All right, you want to put it in?
No, more.
We got more black in here. Look, we already have black. It won't all fit at one time because it's not as big as it looks. All right, here we go. Let's squish it in.
Like a Titanic.
Like a Titanic? All right, let's see what it looks like.
And it's like this destroyer.
Really? Are you ready? Oh, look,
I'm in this one.
all right, guys.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
That's right. Here we go. You want to turn it, Jonathan? Go ahead. All right, kids, what color is going to come out? Rainbow colors of all these different ones? Well, we can't fit anymore. You have to do this one first. Go, go, go. Go, Jonathan. It's hard to turn sometimes, huh? There we go.
Can you help?
Look at the colors that come out. Black and blue and orange is mixed in.
And every color.
Yeah, that looks awesome. Look, it matches our blanket. Do you like the colors?
What kind of blanket?
This one. Same color. What color is that?
Huh?
Sky blue. It looks beautiful. Wow, this one reached the ground.
Daddy,
Way to go, Jonathan! You're doing great!
I love you.
I love you too!
Look how long you.
Wow!
Wow.
You just eat it.
He's making rainbows with what colors, Jonathan?
I don't know.
Blue, orange, and black.
What's
Cool. Maybe we can make, ooh, look at this. Look at this. It's got imprints there too. Let's roll over and see what happens.
A wheelbarrow!
Wow, and it made wheel marks. Tire marks.
Tire marks are cool!
Uh-oh. Ready? A Pac-Man head. A Pac-Man head person.
Waka waka
Waka
waka.
waka. Cool.
Waka waka.
What do you say?
Waka waka.
Whoa!
That's fun. This is a cool toy, Jonathan. I'm glad we got it. Aren't you? What are you gonna make? How about a snowman on this hot day?
Jonathan, can you fill up my truck with Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Yay!
Here, make some
Not
little
a lot.
boulders. How about some little boulders?
No, snowman.
Fill them up and roll them out!
How?
A snowman! Mommy made a snowman! Yay!
Is that cool?
Well, we need a smiley face.
It does need a smiley face. Oh, good job, Jonathan.
Wait, Dodo.
You could have some crazy looking hair.
He looks like... Oh, he lost his head!
Oh, there he is. There you go. That's cool.
Now have a rope on it.
That's a good idea. Awesome, Jonathan. This is fun. I'm gonna cut the black one.
Huh?
Yeah. 1,
I'm doing it by my own.
2. You're funny.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Snowman head!
Oh no! Oh no! Wow!
Look, do I look like Blippi? We have the same hat on.
Yay! We have the same hat!
No, the Play-Doh was on your hat.
You put Play-Doh on my hat?
Hey, can you push me down the slide? Wait, what?
Ah, here he goes. Ready? Set.
Go!
Whee!
Yay!
Give me back the knife. Thank you. Ooh, do you want to see the glitter one? Look. Ooh, there's speckles in it. It's supposed to be like real
That'd be
cement,
pretty.
like a sidewalk.
Baby, look, it's so sparkly.
Cool!
Now we need to roll that one up.
Oh, good idea.
And put it in the cement mixer.
You want to put it in the cement mixer?
Ooh, that's a
That's
great
a great
idea.
With no colors on
Okay,
it.
hold on. We got to empty it out.
With no colors on it.
But no colors? Okay, let's empty it out.
What if you put Blippi on the slide and pushed him down with the cement? That would be so cool, even though it wouldn't be safe, but he's just a toy.
Baby, guess what?
Toys can live forever.
Baby, guess what? Look.
Ah!
Okay, you ready to put the color in?
Yeah.
The color gray with speckles.
Yes,
All right.
Give me a knife. I can't wait. Ooh, yes.
Here you go. I'll lock it in for you. Okay, you gonna turn the wheel?
Now you turn it.
Okay, let's see if the cement will push Blippi out. Ready? Hang on. Here he comes. Jonathan, look. Whoa, here it comes. Here it comes. Look out, Blippi. Here it comes. Whoa.
Ow!
Look at the cool speckled color coming out. Ah, don't cover me in some rain.
Oh no, he's covering Blippi! Jonathan, you need to save him! Yay!
Great job, Jonathan. Does that look cool?
Yeah.
Wow, look how long that is. Like a smiley face. Let's give Jonathan a smiley face. Cool.
Now watch this.
What you gonna do?
Sad.
Oh,
a sad
face. Oh. How about this one?
Jonathan's sad. It looks like a mustache. Hello.
Want a mustache?
Hello.
That's cool, Jonathan. Alright. Look, a bracelet.
Wow. You can use your imagination to make all kinds of cool stuff with this.
This is really fun, Jonathan. Thanks for letting me play with you with your cement mixer.
Hey, Jonathan, can you make a barricade for me?
What's a barricade?
Oh, it's
Mommy, show him what a barricade is.
This is a barricade hole. Let's put some Play-Doh in there and see what it makes. All right.
No, that's too much.
No,
I'll show
watch.
you. Squish out. Ready? That one good. Here we go. You ready? Squish it in. Squish. All right. Now you take all the pieces off the side. Ready? And we open. Whoa. Careful. A barricade. Oh, look. Oh no, a barricade. I can't get through. Ah!
What is Jonathan gonna do to the barricade?
Cut it.
No!
Cut the snowman's body.
Okay, cut the barricade down so we can get through. Good job, Jonathan. Yay! Now we can break through. Good
Yay!
job.
Jonathan cut through the barricade. He's a hero. Ah!
We can't go.
Awesome.
Look, I got on the barricade. Can I do it?
Sure.
On my own. What way does it go? This way?
Using Play-Doh is fun, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's try
Hey,
the...
Jonathan,
What?
can you and Mommy make a safety cone? They're gonna make a safety cone.
Man, stand on the top.
Okay, here it is.
It's hot.
Squish it out.
It's always hot.
It is hot. Oh, wow, a blue and orange safety cone. And an orange safety cone. Cool safety cone and another safety cone.
Wow! Safety cones are cool. Safety first and safety last. Makes for a fun day.
Let's put up our safety cones back here. Safety first. Phew. Go around them. Can't run them over. Cool. Those are neat.
Look a ball. Ball is it.
Where did you put it? Ball?
A ball on his
Oh, it matches his hat. Look. Good job, Jonathan. It matches his hat.
This is fun, Jonathan. Thanks for playing with me. It's getting ready to rain. A mail truck? Where?
Cool.
Cool. He saw a mail truck.
Oh, yeah, you gotta squish it. That's why it's easier if you make it into a kind of like a snake.
No, snakes!
Here we go. Ah!
Oh, snakes! Oh!
Is that funny?
Ah!
Oh no, this is not good.
Get away from Mommy, you snake!
Got Jonathan's colors in. Now let's see what it comes out like. Ooh, look at that. Cool. You put in cool colors. That's how. Good job. Look at all the speckles through it. That's neat. Good job. Awesome. That was fun. It is a dirty cement truck. Oh no, look at all the cement that's on top. What are we gonna do? Oh.
This is a working cement truck if I've ever seen one. Ah!
Now you can't see it on your mouth. It's in your mouth.
Oh no, this is not good news. Okay. Wow. Jonathan, are you using your imagination?
Yeah.
Isn't it fun?
But Jesus just going to it's not raining yet.
Thanks for watching, kids, and watching Jonathan make some cool Play-Doh things with his cement mixer. Can you say bye?
Bye!
Maybe a
It's a Jonathan
what's
song,
Cool.
and he's singing
Yeah,
along. He's happy all day. He loves to play
Oh, it's long.
Jonathan's way.
How long that is.
It's a
Which one's bigger?
Jonathan
Which one's longer?
day.
Let's look.
It's a Jonathan
This
song.